In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a Canva newsletter with MailChimp. So first head over to canva.com and open up your newsletter design. So before sending, make sure that you do all the modifications you need to do with your design. And once done, click on the share button at the top right. Then next click on MailChimp. But if you don't see MailChimp, click on See All. Then scroll to messaging section and make sure that MailChimp is connected with your Canva account. Then click on it. Now select the pages you'd like to send. Then of course select the correct account where you want to send your newsletter design. Then click on share to MailChimp. You might be prompted to connect your MailChimp account with Canva, so just follow all the on-screen prompts from there. Now, once done sending, you can head over and press continue in MailChimp. And here you'll now be able to see your design from Canva already sent to your MailChimp dashboard. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!